How to get the last day of the month? Is there a way using Python's standard library to easily determine, i.e. one function call, the last day of a given month? If the standard library doesn't support that, does the Datool package support this?
Calendar.monthRange provides this information. Calendar.monthRange year, month, returns weekday of first day of the month and number of days in month, for the specified year and month. So, seems like the simplest way to go.
If you don't want to import the calendar module, a simple two-step function can also be. Outputs.
Edit, see it Blair Conrad's answer for a cleaner solution.
This is actually pretty easy with dateutil.relativeAdelta. Day equals 31 will always return the last day of the month. Install Dateutil with
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.